Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to COBOL, where we will see how we can utilize divide statement in order to fetch the result for division operation along with reminder. Okay, so in your projects, there might be some scenarios where you are supposed to perform division operation and also wanted to fetch the information related to reminder value. So in that case, how we can utilize divide statement in COBOL program? What are the basic syntax or structure we are supposed to follow? What would be the benefit if we use the divide statement in order to get the reminder value? So these all things we are going to discuss in this particular session. So before we start the session, I would recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because if you follow them, like if you follow the entire playlist in a sequential manner, then it would be really very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Okay, so I hope you can proceed with all those sessions, and then you can follow up the ongoing topic. Clear? So in this session, we are going to proceed in the same manner. Like firstly, I'll explain you the code. We will write the code from scratch, and then we'll try to understand how the things are working. And at last, we will see the output. Okay, so I think now we are good to start with the session. So here I'm taking this TSCB PGM72 in edit mode. Okay, so here you can see firstly what we have defined the identification division block. So this division is mainly used to store the program identity related information. So here we have program ID denoted by program name. So you can see TSCB PGM72 is a program name. Then we have author denoting author name. Okay, so these are the two information which I have declared which I have mentioned here as a program related identity. But if in your case there are other values that you can specify. Okay, fine. Now below to this, what we have this three comment line. Just to create the box like structure to show you the topic name, I have declared three comment line. So to declare the comment line, what we are supposed to do, you can put your cursor on the very first position here, and then you can count till 7. So you can count from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. On 7th position, when you put asterisk, and after that whatever you will write will be considered as a comment line. Okay, so you can see here we have three line as a commented line, and after asterisk we can put this comment line. Okay, fine. Now you can see this comment line structure, like this comment line I have used to show you the topic, which is division with reminder. Okay, fine. So I think now we are good to start with the main part of the program, and here you can see we are using stop run just to terminate the program flow. So let's add some blank line first here. So I'll write here I20 to insert blank line, and then we can simply mention uh, the data division here. So let me write the data division, because to for any demo we would need variables. So to declare the variable, let's define the data division first. So data division, if you don't know what are these division, why we are using it, then you can refer the previous session. In one of our session we have already discussed this thing in detail. Okay, so data division, then we will write here working storage section. So I'll write here working storage section, and then we will write here the variable part. Okay, so to declare any variable, firstly we are supposed to define level number. Okay, so let me define the level number 01, which is denoting higher data hierarchy. Then after that we will write the variable name. So for example, I want to declare the variable with the name profit1. So whenever I want to access this variable, I will use the same name. Okay, then we are supposed to provide PIC, which is denoting the picture clause. So let me pass it like this. And then we have numeric type. So I'm using 9 to denote numeric data type, and the size would be 3. Okay, so let's initialize some value to this variable. So I'll initialize the value as 9. Clear? Fine. Now what we will do, we will declare another variable with the name profit2 PIC 9 of 3, and then you can put your value clause to initialize the value to this variable, for example 2. So these are the two values that we are going to use for performing the division. Now to store the result we need two variables. One is to store the result and one is to store the reminder. So let me put 0 1 again. Remember this thing. We are not using 0 1 for sequence. We are using it for level number. So that's why it is same for everyone. Okay, fine. So now here I will declare the variable with the name rem, which will denote reminder, and the type would be the same only, 9 of 3 value. And the okay, here we don't need value clause because we are going to receive this value as a result. Similarly, we will declare another variable which can hold the result value. The above variable is for reminder and the second one is for result. So here I will write pic 9 of 3, and again for this variable we don't need value clause, so I just skipped it. Okay, and we know that value clause is always a optional clause. Fine. After that we will write the main logic of the program. So to write the main logic, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to provide procedure division. So I'll write here procedure division, and under this procedure division, firstly let's print the value, the actual value that we have. Okay, so I'll write here display. After display we will write profit1 value before any modification. Okay, this column is not mandatory, like I just want to show it in a proper manner, that's why I'm using, but if you want to skip it you can. Okay, fine. Now after that what we can do, we can write here the profit1 value without any modification. Likewise we will declare the second variable, which is display profit2 value before any modification. Okay, something is wrong in above modification. Fine. Then we will put colon here and the value of second variable, which is profit2. Clear? Fine. Now we have displayed both the values before any type of modification. Now it's time to perform the division operation. So for that we will write here divide profit1 by profit2 giving result. So till now we have already discussed this thing, right? In one of our session we discussed like how to use giving a statement with divide, or you can say the first session, right, for the division. Now what we are going to add here, we are going to add one more clause or statement, you can say, which is a reminder. So here I'll write a reminder and rem. So what it will do, it will store the result. What it will do, firstly it will divide the profit1 by profit2 giving result. So result will be stored here in result variable, and then it print the and then it store the reminder in rem variable. Clear? Just after this what we are going to do, we are going to print the actual value result that we have fetched after the performing the operation. So here I'll write display result and then the result value. Clear? Likewise we will display the reminder as well. So display reminder okay, reminder and then the rem value. Okay, let's remove the unnecessary line from here to make the code more beautiful. Okay, fine. And then we are using stop run to terminate the program flow. Okay, so we are ready with the program. What we are doing here, we are dividing the profit1 with profit2, and we are also fetching the reminder for the operation. Clear? So let's see what output we are getting from it. So I'll just compile it and call it. So once I call this program, okay, something is wrong here. Let me check what is wrong. Maybe something we are using in a different way. Divide profit. Okay, profit spelling is mistake. So let me check if it works now. Okay, something is again wrong. Let's verify it. Maybe some spelling or something is wrong here. So profit1 by profit2 giving result. Reminder is this. Variable we have declared, terminated everything. Let me check if spool file is giving something. So some syntactical error is there, I guess. Stop not valid in area. Okay, expected. Okay, let's go back and check the code again. Maybe something is missing in text form. So this is correct, this is correct. Oh, okay, yeah. Here is the mistake. You can see the command is portrayed in a wrong way. It's display, okay? So that's why it is giving error to the program. Okay, fine. Let's try now. So if I change it and compile it and call it, you will see that it is working now. Okay, so that was just because of the wrong spelling in display as well as in profit one. Fine. So now profit 1 value before any modification is 9, profit 2 value before any modification is 2, result is 004, and reminder is 1. Okay, so this is how we can utilize divide statement in order to perform division and to fetch the reminder value as well. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.